Disability Attorney Nancy Cavey. We're here back at discussing the various terms of a disability insurance policy. And one of the common terms is any occupation. Now, why is that important? That's important because the disability carrier will normally pay benefits for 2 years for an inability to do your own occupation. And then the definition will switch to an inability to do any other occupation. You have to look closely at that definition because sometimes any occupation means an occupation that you could do based on the skills that you've acquired based on your prior work, or one that you could do based on your training and education, or a type of occupation that you could do based on the residual functional capacity that you have. So they'll look at your occupation, your transferable skills, and the disability carrier will then look at your restrictions and limitations. Now, they won't always accept the restrictions and limitations assigned by your doctor. More often than not, they'll have their doctors cherry pick your medical records, and they'll come up with a set of restrictions and limitations that let you do at least sedentary work. Why sedentary work? Because they can identify jobs that you could potentially do based on your education and your skills and your restrictions and limitations by having their vocational rehabilitation counselors do an analysis of those issues and to do a labor market survey that will identify jobs or occupations that you might do that would pay at least 80% of what you were making at the time of the accident. Now, many times the carriers will play games with these particular issues by identifying your education, your skill level, determining whether there's transferability to begin with, and then they will misclassify the occupations that their vocational counselor identifies, and their labor market survey is probably outdated and wrong. So it's important that you understand that there's going to be an analysis or an investigation of your case prior to the time when the definition of disability changes from an inability to do your own occupation to any occupation. And more often than not, claims are denied at that stage. So be prepared for that to happen in your claim. If you've found this video to be helpful, give me a shout out and a review on Google or Facebook. But more importantly, if you have questions, if you suspect that the disability carrier is going to be denying your claim when the definition of disability changes, contact me. I offer a free 30-minute consultation, and I can answer your questions. I look forward to talking with you and helping you get the disability insurance benefits you deserve.